Some get for know say them are no real vendetta fans. Them never tell YV or them give the artist one award. Some know say them are no real criminal. Them a pussy like up underneath them girl. Them review ya, rub them out. Tell them for answer and stop chat off them waste mouth. Watch. You know the general, the 10-star one. And you know anytime I come for represent, you know I'm a lollipop thing. You know the thing cock and blinging. Watch. So I come for represent to the fullest, and me I say, oh, when time I come and I represent for Gaza, you have some local man who claim say them are vendetta, spectators, our supporters, our followers, our vendetta evil bloggers, our beggars. I don't know which one of them is. You hear me I say? But anytime I come and represent for Gaza, some local man I write some comment underneath me shit. Yo, I will not dig out hole and I try free cartel. Yo, you a dig out the hole, them go take him out no pussy hole. Got this, got that with your mother, got this. Man, I'll send me up underneath my mother, you know. Something where some local boy and ask me up on the street or even attempt, you know. I not even know them youth, you know. But here me I say, oh, me not see the man them a diss up YV because them say them artists are the biggest thing in a dancehall. Because I fight against the youth, you know. Them say the artists are the biggest thing in a dancehall. Then how am I go get one award of YV? You know what I mean? If are the biggest thing that in a dancehall. The reason why me as a man rep them way, you know, is just because you know want put the artist in a bracket to spot him not even fit yet. You know what I mean? Because the artist him not have so much goods. Him don't have so much goods in his storeroom for the tyco one want game. You see what I deal with? I'm gonna soon look out for YV for that. And this thing now for YV. YV on no ban Vibes Cartel. Or not ban. On no don't nominate Vibes Cartel in a no award. But yet still a Vibes Cartel song them on the use to bring off no award. Yo, you know, lucky say, you know, Vibes Cartel like have all copyright for them shit there. So when a man play him song, him have to get pay feet and them shit there, you know. It should have been something else where him could have sue if you not play him song. Vibes, yeah, me not lie to you, no YV. Vibes Cartel should have can sue, you know. You see me? You don't nominate him in him award, but you not use him art and craft them for bring off an award show. Does that make no sense? The artists them want to nominate for the award. Most of the man them who nominate, them don't ever turn up for all the award. So, I don't feel YV, because I say a man can perform before him can get nominated. Man no win the award, how much award and him not turn up. You know, see say YV you not a clown. You know what I mean? You not a clown, I'm a bindi telling you that. You know what I mean? You don't go embarrass yourself. Yeah, straight up, that's all you do, you embarrass yourself. You know what I mean? I show the people them how dishonest is. I'm going to tell you something. A people alluding in that, you know. You self do that, you know. Because you know Vibes Cartel are the man, right? And you make people follow what people I say and follow people and do that. You know what I mean? For blighted the money, you know what I mean? So I'm get all of the award, because I know if Vibes Cartel rep all of the award of him. Me not done tell you already. Say if I know Vibes Cartel or Popcorn. Me never I don't tell you that long time. What you do not disbelieve me? Me not telling you that, dog. The whole dancehall fraternity know that, man. International, man. If I know Vibes Cartel or Poppy, you know if you set, me not telling you already. You know if you set record the road. You know what I mean? You know if you clock up the billboard. Me telling you that already. It's not just about YouTube. You know go get hot. Or if you not be knowing on YouTube, you know go get hot. I not lie, but you not going to be the man. If you want to be the man, you have to shell with billboard. Or the biggest chart that in the world. The billboard, hip-hop, and R&B 100. You have to shell them station there. If you not shell with that, I don't know where you talk about. You have to shell with at 97. If I not hear you not shell them station there, you not talk to me. Because I not deal with the lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? And again, I say, watch. Oh, me not see the vendetta fan them a lick out for YV. But as I put up a little thing about Vibes Cartel, all of it there have a concern, man. Yo, got this, got that, got this, got that, got that. Oh, you know lick out for YV, because you know have the artist as the biggest thing in the world. In that dancehall music. You know what I mean? And wifey I give him 1 award. The biggest thing in the world, I collect 1 award from wifey. I know alkaline probably don't even matter about the award, you know. But I just look at them what they're on him. But me telling you something, you know, the youth make the youth grow and blossom and mature in a real artist. And don't push the youth before time. You hear that? Don't do that. Because if you try to walk before you creep, you still have to go down back for your knee go creep. May I tell you that? You see what I did? If you force the time, you go fade out. Because nothing beat the time. You know what I mean? And if you force it when it wasn't your time, you go come back to a walk. So you have to know what I do. You see what I deal with? Five Cartel never jump and just come up and say, well then him want different. Him want take over the throne from being a man and Bounty Killer. No. Him roll with the two of them. Killer bust him out. Bring him out. You know what I mean? To the world. You know what I mean? Him go roll with being a man and get some girls fans from being a man. And get the full package. I understand. So are the two wickedest thing in a Jamaica. Him power with. And that's why him becomes the artist the way him is. You know what I mean? So let me tell you something, you. When you second yourself, I make the man pave them the way for himself. And stop come on internet and go like so no one violate people. You hear that? But that's why some man can't show on the face. I don't play in dog. I don't laugh with it. You know. You see through a concrete way, I'm a concrete stepper. I don't play. So when I come, I have to hide behind my camera, you have to see my face because I am the star on this. As I tell you. So when you see me in the street, if you want, you can step if you want. Because I don't worry about that, a concrete way I step. So anywhere I step it, I left it shaky. If it's not solid, it's shaky. Because a concrete way I step, I don't step lollipop way. You know what I mean? I don't roll soft. A concrete way I step. So if you want a confrontation, when you're there, I write up things behind my thing. And I chat up your mouth. If you see me in the street, you step if you want to step. If you think I step light. And you see what the fuck happened. You know what I mean? A concrete way I step. If things shaky, broke off. A real thing. And a lollipop thing I deal with. You don't have to know that. You see what I deal with? So the man them couldn't go cuss off YV and tell them off how them give the big artist 1 award. But you come on the general page, the 10-star one. And I go tell him about this and that. Or I think not even concerned, you know. But me telling you something, man. A Gaza around the world, man. Me not been telling you that, man. When it comes to dancehall music, a Gaza around that, man. Where you think a Gaza pitney get all of the award, you know? Because you know, black out the father, you know, and the son collect all light. You know, black out the father and the son collect all light. How you feel? How you feel now? I'm telling you something, man. Once again, man. The world, it's not a plan. You don't know already a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. And when time I represent that to the fullest, and when I squeeze necessary equipment and a lollipop thing, a loud explosion, Gaza for life. Watch. The general in a living and life colors, fresh from out of New York City. Watch. Gaza. Watch.